No, I can't promise your first AI-generated app will get millions of downloads and make you rich. But what if you made 10, or 50, or even 100? Well, statistically speaking, your chances of something finally taking off become a lot higher, especially now, when AI app builders let you launch apps faster than ever before. So today I will show you how to use Base44 to build fully functioning apps in minutes with zero coding skills. But before we jump into this Base44 tutorial, you'll need a subscription. And if you want to export and publish your apps later, make sure you go for the builder plan or higher. So if you want to get a head start, there's an exclusive discount link in the description and a QR code on your screen right now. Now, the hardest part is finding an idea that can actually make money, and honestly, the easiest way to start is by looking at what's already working. So go into Base44 and check their templates, ideas, even their blog. You can also look at app stores themselves and see what kind of simple apps are trending right now. You'll notice certain types of applications show up again and again. Things like fitness trackers, budgeting apps, and productivity tools. That's not random, those are apps people are already looking for. So pick something proven and build your own version of it. Let's say we go with a simple budgeting app. When you build an app with AI here, don't overcomplicate the first prompt. Unlike a lot of other builders, in Base44, this works more like a conversation. So you don't need to squeeze every single detail into the first message. Just describe what you want in one sentence. Something like a clean budgeting app with expense tracking and monthly insights. Base44 will generate the interface, basic logic, and structure for you automatically. As it builds, you'll see everything updating in real time, which makes the whole process way easier to follow. And if something looks off, you don't need to rewrite prompts over and over. You can just jump into visual editing mode and adjust and move things about directly. Move sections, change layouts, tweak buttons, fix spacing. So instead of fighting with code, it feels more like working with a programmer friend who understands what you mean, even if you don't know all the technical jargon. Another thing happening behind the scenes is that Base44 is also setting up the backend logic for you. So things like data handling, user accounts, authentication, app flows, and overall structure are already connected automatically. That means your app is not just a visual mockup, it can actually store data, manage users, save progress, and work like a real product. For example, if you're building a budgeting app, Base44 can already handle things like login systems, saving transactions, updating dashboards, or connecting different app pages together without you manually wiring everything up yourself. And the useful part is that this system is still editable. You can continue adding features through prompts, adjust logic later, connect external integrations, or even export the project if you want deeper control. And if you want to try it yourself, check my link in the description. There is a discount there for you as well. Base44 also has built-in version history, which is honestly a lifesaver when you're experimenting. So if you change something and just don't like the direction you took, you can roll back to an earlier version instead of starting over. And if you want even more control, you can also connect the project to GitHub for additional backups and version management. Now, this is where monetization comes in. While you're editing the app, think about what you can lock behind a paywall. Keep the basic version free, but add extra features people would actually want, like advanced insights, custom reports, or extra functionality. That becomes your paid tier. You don't need anything too complicated here. A simple subscription or even a one-time upgrade is enough. Once that's done, you can export the app. From there, you can publish it to app stores, deploy it as a web app, or even reuse the same structure to launch multiple apps in the same niche. And that is it. That is how you go from just building with Base44 to actually trying to make money with it. If you want a deeper Base44 review or more ideas on how people are actually making money with apps like this, let me know in the comments. Also, if you want to try Base44 for yourself, the discounted link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Anyway, I will see you in the next one.